Welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair, and today we will talk about lace frontal. Lace frontal is the component of a wig, and it is made of lace part and hair. And lace frontal is the most expensive and the most important part of the wig. Usually a wig is made of lace frontal and then rest part is hair bundles sewn in by a sewing machine. You can buy a lace frontal with two or three bundles of hair, and then by a local hairdresser they can install a wig for you, or you can purchase a lace frontal and 2 or 3 bundles of hair and then let us install a wig for you as well, and you just need to pay the lace frontal and the bundle of the hair and $20 for installation fee for us to make a complete unit wig for you. Let's talk about what you need to take care before you purchase a lace frontal. And the first thing you need to take care of is the size of the frontal. That is the most important things, and usually in the market the most popular and most hair frontals are made either it's 13 by 6 or 13 by 4, and I will show you the difference between them. The lace size is the most important thing for a lace frontal. So right now here is 2 lace frontal, and this is 13 by 4 and this one is 13 by 6. So 13 is the size of here to here, and 6 is this, and this one is 13 by 4, and from here to here it's 13 inches and here is 4 inches. So with a 13 by 6, and you will you can parting from the forehead to the top of your head, it will make it more realistic, and it requires more works from our workers, so it's more expensive. And this one is 13 by 4. The second thing you need to take care is the lace types. Usually in the markets right now there are 3 types of laces. The first and the second one is, we call it crayon lace, which is transparent, and brown lace. The third one we call it the HD lace or Swiss lace. Let me show you. This one is a brown lace. This one is a brown lace, and this one is the transparent lace. Let me show you the differences. So brown lace is the most popular in the market, and it is much more compatible with darker complexion. And this one is transparent lace, and this one is lighter. This one is lighter. It's more compatible with a lighter complexion. Let's have a look. This is brown lace, this is transparent lace, and brown lace is more manufactured in a factory, and transparent is less. And both of them we call it crayon lace, and this kind of lace is the common products in the market. And nowadays there is new product which is called HD lace or Swiss lace in the market. That is the most that is more expensive and new one. And with this is the transparent, this is the Swiss lace. Sorry, this is the Swiss lace. With the Swiss lace, it will give you a more realistic feel. So Swiss lace can be compatible with any type of complexion. It melted to your skin better than the other two. See, this is our Swiss lace, and this one is much more expensive, and it's much more flexible as well. And I can take here, you can see. This is our transparent lace. Transparent lace is a little lighter. It's much more lighter compared with medium brown or brown lace or this is brown lace. So if you are darker complexion, you can go with the brown lace and it will be melted. And if you are lighter complexion, you can go with the transparent lace. And of course, no matter what kind of skin, you can go for HD lace, but you need to take care of the budget and make sure that you are okay with the price for HD lace. And the third thing you need to take care is you need to take care before you place the order. You need to confirm and tell the vendor whether you need baby hair or not, because for some of you might be you don't need baby hair, some of you like baby hair, so you need to tell the vendor, because by default vendor might they will not do any baby hair. So you better tell them before you place after you place the order, before the shipping, you confirm with them, and you want baby hair, then they will do it for you. You do not want baby hair, then they will not do. And just confirm is before you place the order, and to avoid confusions. And so this are 13x6 lace frontals, and so hopefully you guys have more idea about lace frontals. And if you have more questions regarding lace frontal or anything regarding anything hair products, you can comment below or message me for more information. I will make videos for you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.